All right, we move on to speaking part 2. Describe a gift you would like to buy for your friend. Now, you have not bought the gift. You would like to buy a gift in the future for your friend.
Okay.
Please.
Well, I have given and received many gifts in my life. Here I would like to. Here I am going to talk about the gift which I would like to purchase for my friend. It's a mobile phone. It will cost 15,000. I do not afford money, so that I will purchase it for my friend. I will buy in black color. It had many features like radio, Bluetooth, and so many. And other than this, I would like to purchase chocolates, gift for my friends.
Khich ke ho hi gaya, huh? All right, 58 seconds. Listen, in speaking part 2, you have to be specific. If you're talking about mobile phone, talk about mobile phone. Don't come to chocolates. Right, because you have to cover the topic. So you took several pauses. In the beginning you said I don't afford. It should have been I cannot afford, right? And there should be a proper continuity and organization. What you did, you made sentences only. I mean, these sentences were not connected and linked properly. So focus that. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What is the importance of gifts?
Well, gift always a gesture of the love.
Gesture of
the love.
Gesture
of the love. It will.
All right, gesture of love is enough. Yeah, when you give gift, you show your love.
Yes.
Right? Okay. For part 3, your answers are too short.
Okay.
And you don't have proper content knowledge. Knowledge means information, what to speak. So focus that. Okay. All right. Thank you.